Hello, Flippy the Soldier Bear here. And I have this package. Want to see? Alright, I'm gonna get this thing open and I'll tell you what's inside. Oh wow. Open lost this. Oh, there we go. Now there's a way how to open this part. I got it. Trying to open it right, and it's just... Oh, there we go. Look at this. Rocko's Moment Life Season 3. I got this on Amazon. The front, spine, back. Yeah, and the show's kind of funny. I'm like, what's it like that? Yeah, Tom Kenny, Illy, Cat Dog, SpongeBob SquarePants. You know, the show was just good. It was Season 3. I like Rocko Smile. I watched it when I was a kid. If you want to like get like the complete series of it, maybe because I'll find this. I finally got it. Check the other DVD copies, and then your VHS. So what do you think of this one? It's a good show. Excuse me. Alright, I'm gonna get this open, and we still can watch it on the DVD. And oh, Rocko was just... I can't believe I finally got it now. Alright. Thank you for watching. You can just comment below, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. I hope you like this video. Give your thumbs up. Press the like. Thank you.